go, Sonny's down. Get up to the brick fence post. We're at Fluffy. She's finishing her chewable flea and tick treatment, and she's going to get some cat treats in a moment. Cat treats are down. Jay retrieved the dry fruit dish for me and dumped the water out of the water dish, rinsed it out, and I filled it back up with fresh water, put a handful of dry food into the dry food dish. She's working on the cat treats. There's one by your paw. You missed it, but that's okay. You'll find it later, huh? We have a great white egret on someone's rooftop next to Arroyo de los Coches stream. Sun is nicely out, so he's nicely lit. Yeah, hi there. We're looking at you looking at us, yeah. Handsome bird. And he's up there. Good looking bird. We're back at Fluffy's and she's here. No calling for her. Yeah, she likes scritches. Since we didn't see Cece at Alviso Adobe Park, Jay didn't leave the food there, so Fluffy's gonna get a little bit of extra food. I'm thinking calling because we were hoping to see her. Actually, Jay did put food down for CC, but we didn't see Collie, so that's why we have some extra food. Boy, I'm getting confused as to who got fed what. Anyway, she's getting extra, plus the rest of the dry food. And she's all done with treats. Sonny. Sonny's down. Eat one, take one. Good boy. I'll take the other one. Take the other one. Good boy.